If you have a piece of paper that has information on it in the form of a spreadsheet, grids and columns, and you want to upload all that information to Excel, but you don't want to have to manually input every single piece of data, there is a way to take a photo of that paper copy and upload it to Excel into a new spreadsheet. The first thing you'll need is the Excel app on a smartphone. Once you've downloaded it, you open it up and it might ask you to sign in. So you sign in, get the whole thing set up, then hit the little green plus at the bottom of the screen. It'll take you to this page that we're on right now, where you can choose if you want to start from a blank workbook or from a template. I'm going to choose blank workbook, and we're brought to the default Excel sheet. Once you have that open, click on the menu button. It looks like an A with a little pen next to it. It's on top. Then click on Home, and once that menu pops up, you're going to click on Insert. Choose data from picture, and Excel will ask you for permission to access your camera and for permission to access your photos. Allow both, and then you'll be able to take a picture of your document. And you're going to want to keep your camera as flat as possible and only take a picture of your page. You click OK, it's going to start extracting the data, and you'll be brought to this page where it'll let you know where there are concerns, where Excel wasn't super sure what to put inside that cell. And you can review all of the items that they were questioning and change whatever you think needs to be changed. So as you can see here, there are some cells where the wrong number was input, the wrong information, two cells kind of got put together as one number, that sort of thing. Once you're done with revisions, you can see the entire table. And as you can see, there's definitely stuff missing and it's not perfect, so it needs to be edited. Now, I find the desktop version to be the easiest way to make those changes, so I'm going to switch over to my laptop. Now, on the right side, we have the version of the chart that Excel put together from the image, and on the left side, just for reference, we have the original version. Obviously, if you had the original version on a computer, you wouldn't be doing this, but for example's sake. So right now what I'm going to do is just make the changes that Excel didn't manage to make. So you're definitely going to want to review the data. Don't just take a picture and then assume it's all going to be accurate, even with the revision, because there are definitely errors in the new chart, and it all does need to be reviewed, but it definitely saves a lot of time if you have a lot of data and you want to put it all up. It's a really solid foundation and starting point. And just as an aside, pro tip, do not take the picture in horizontal view because Excel will get very confused and it will have no idea what's going on. As you can see, it thinks I've put some Korean in this chart. There isn't any, it's very confused. So make sure to take the picture vertically. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe.